Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to go through how to install Home Assistant Custom Amber Electric Integration version 2.0. This will allow you to automate and control your battery using your Amber account. This is an unofficial integration and not supported by Amber Electric. It has been created for Home Assistant version 2024.4 or later. I highly recommend you back up your current Home Assistant installation before installing this integration. If you have installed an older version of this integration, please ensure you fully remove the old version before installing the new one, as the architecture has radically changed. Okay, first off, we're going to go to the Home Assistant Custom Amber Electric Integration GitHub page. You have a read the README, so you have an understanding of how this integration works. Next, we're going to jump to Home Assistant, and we're going to go into Hacks. If you have not installed Hacks already, please make sure you do so that we can add our custom repository. Now we go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and we go custom repositories, and we need to actually paste the URL of our GitHub page into that link, repository link there. So we'll paste that in, and our type is integration, and we go add. Once that's added, a dialog like this will pop up. It's actually added itself in the background over there, so we can actually just close this or cancel. And we'll see there, we click on our custom Amber Electric integration. And we're going to click download. I'm going to download version 2.0. And when that's done, we go click down on the bottom there, settings, and you'll see a restart is required. So we're going to click on that. We're going to submit. Okay, once Home Assistant's restarted, we're going to go and install the integration like you normally would. You go to Device and Services, and we go Add Integration. We're going to type in Amber here, and you'll see the custom Amber Electric integration. And what we do is we're going to log in with our username and password that we use for our Amber account. Next, we're prompted to enter in sensors. This is optional. If you've already installed your battery sensors into Home Assistant, you can tell this integration to use those sensors instead of Ambers, as they are likely to be more accurate and responsive, especially if you are monitoring via a Modbus connection. And we click submit. And we're going to skip and finish. And as you can see, we've got our controls and our sensors. Okay, next we're going to install our automations and dashboard. We're going to do this by going to part 2 of the GitHub page. So we're going to go back to our GitHub page, and in part 2, automations and dashboard, you'll see an install script there. We're going to copy that one, and we're going to go back over into Home Assistant. We're going to go to terminal, and then we're going to paste that command in there, that install command, and run that. This install will prompt us if we want to auto install the dashboard. A manual dashboard can be edited in Home Assistant Editor, whereas an auto installed dashboard cannot. For simplicity, we're just going to say yes to the auto installed version. Once that's done, it will start restarting Home Assistant, and it's done. And now what you'll see on the left hand side, you'll see an Amber on the menu. So if we click on that, and now what we see is our dashboard. So in our dashboard, we have our Amber stats, buying and selling rate. We have our power sensors here. So if you've configured them, they'll show up here. And also our automations, which are currently disabled. So auto sell, auto buy, and also disabling smart shift when idle. You can manually refresh by clicking this button here, and refreshing, you can turn smart shift off by clicking here. You've got manual controls here to do charging, discharging, preserve, self-consumption. Under automations, you can define 3 cell rules based on if the battery is above 80%, 50%, 0. You can change those. You can either enable one or none of them. It's up to you. And same with the buying rule. So if you want to charge up your battery, at what percentage and what do you want to pay? And that's it. Thank you. I hope you find this useful.